There it is, 47.5 meters below the seabed. Sunrise over the Atlantic. The massive salvage vessel, undeniable in its power, begins another deployment in the unforgiving ocean.
Significant corrosion on the locking mechanisms here. Copy that, A. Check the structural integrity near the base.
Decades of corrosion must be cleared. As the sediment lifts, the legendary BMW markings finally become visible.
We need to secure the northern mounts first. Tablet confirms grid reference. Copy that. Laser engaged on grid B6. Readings incoming.
Tension steady on the starboard side. Holding steady, Captain. All right, lift her clear of the swell.
The sonar ratings indicated significant degradation here. Confirmed, the corrosion around the locking bars is severe. We should prioritize securing this section before the lift.
Easy now, steady. Look at the state of it.
Incredible. Get the lights focused on the grill. Recovery efforts confirmed our fears. The seawater damage is extensive, leaving the cockpit covered in mold and marine residue. Lift points secure. Roger that. Initiating extraction sequence.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch the guides. Hold it. Secured.
This isn't just surface rust. Years underwater have left deep corrosion, compromising the structural integrity of the frame and the specialized carbon fiber elements. Using specialized equipment, we begin the meticulous process of extracting the rust flakes, sand, and salt crystals.
We're seeing significant oxidation here on the G82 connectors. The salt has wicked deep into the sheathing, exposing the copper terminals.
Okay, I've got the intercooler hose. Which tray for this one? Put it in with the turbo piping for now.
The corrosion on this brake line is severe.
Yep. And look at the pitting on the subframe here. It's going to take a lot of work.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Torque set, confirmed. Start lifting slowly. Watch the left side, clear the harness.
Yep.
Hold it steady, coming up slow. Final bolt torqued. Okay. Sequence complete. Looks good. Okay, bring it down slowly.
Right.
Watch the passenger side mount. Almost there, just a hair to the left. All right, steady on the left side. Torque set to 25 Newton meters. Good. Confirming final torque now.
Fully restored, perfectly balanced. The BMW M4 Competition was built for moments like this.